Here's another great tool I would highly recommend, although it's not sponsored by any chance, but it's a great tool. I bought it especially for my toolkit from Wera, and let's unpack and see what's inside. After all, I think I love this tool very much. It's just amazing. The handle itself is very nice, very comfortable to hold. The mechanism locks in, no play at all. I mean, very nice. It looks like a real screwdriver, and without sacrificing the size. Also, it has everything I need for my building's maintenance. It has security torque stars. The most important for me was finding 6-inch bits that has, it looks like a fork. This is for the elevator maintenance. Some once in a while I would have to take the panel off and fix things. So it's very nice. It's a good quality tool. I would highly recommend. Yes, it's a bit pricey, but I love what I do. I've been doing this for 20 years. Every once in a while I treat myself with a great quality tool. Is it pricey? Yes. Is it worth it? Yes. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. See you next time.